Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase cryptocurrencies from Binance. It's very, very easy to do. There is lots of different cryptocurrencies you can buy on here. The most popular now being like Dogecoin, Cardano, VeChain. There's lots of different coins you can buy on here. So I'm going to show you guys basically what you guys need to do. Now, first things first, you have to have an account, obviously. So if you don't have an account already, just click on register now, and then just fill in the information that you need to register. It is actually really easy to do, just takes a couple minutes. If you guys need me to make a video showing you guys how to register, just let me know. I'll be happy to make one for you guys. Anyhow, once you have your account, you just want to log into it. Once you're logged in, you should be good to start. Now, the first thing you guys need to do is put money into your account. That is very easy as well. You do have a couple different options that you guys can do. And now, if you just navigate over to buy crypto, you'll see up here, it says pay with. This will be the currency that you have in your native country. Mine would be Canadian, but it could be US dollar, British pound, euros, doesn't really matter. But then you have to choose the option that you want to transfer in with. So there is credit and debit card, which is what I use because it's instantaneous. There's also bank transfer as well, but I know depending on what bank you guys have, it might take a little bit of time and that might affect what you're trying to do. But anyways, I would recommend using credit and debit if you guys have that option in your country. So what you guys need to do is just click on the credit or debit option or whatever option that you guys want to transfer in with. And then what I would recommend doing is when you transfer into Binance, I would transfer it into USDT. Which is just going to be the tether option. It's just because it is more stable. It is less likely to receive a correction or anything like that when you're in the midst of buying coins, where Bitcoin can be quite volatile sometimes. So I really recommend using USDT. So you just want to type in USDT here and then click on that. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on the amount of money that you want to put in. So let's just say if I wanted to put in $1,000, I can go in and type $1,000 and then it would convert it into USDT. So that would convert to 791.82 USDT. Now, all you got to do is click on buy USDT here at the bottom. Once you guys do that, it will put that into your wallet so you're able to trade with it on the platform. So once you guys do that, you can navigate over to trade right here and you want to click on convert. Now to purchase Dogecoin on here from USDT, it's very, very easy. So all you guys have to do is just make sure it's on USDT up here at the top because that is the coin that you guys bought from your fiat currencies. Now all you have to do is switch this over to Dogecoin. So just click on the drop down menu here and just type in Doge. Then you want to click on Dogecoin right here. And then you just have to decide how much USDT that you guys want to transfer from USDT over to Doge. Now you can see your available balance right here at the top if you guys are logged in. And then you could decide how much you want to convert over. Now, if you want to convert all your USDT over, you might as well just click on max right here. If you just want to do a certain amount, you can just go ahead and type it in. So let's just say if I want to do $1,000 USDT over to Doge, you just want to click on that. Now, if you want to get a certain amount of Dogecoin, you could just type that in here as well. So you just type in, let's say 5,000 Dogecoin, and it will do the same kind of thing. So if we just click on preview conversion, you will then see how much Dogecoin you will get. So if you want 5,000 Dogecoin, for example, it will then cost you 1,331 USDT. Now, if you did it the other way around, you could always just put the amount of USDT that you want to use. So let's just say if you wanted to spend 1,000 USDT, you can go ahead and type that in here, then click on preview conversion and it will show you the same thing. So 1,000 USDT will then convert to 3,556 Dogecoins. Now, obviously it says that I have an insufficient balance here. That is because I just don't have any funds in this account currently. But if you guys had the appropriate funds that you're typing in, it will let you complete this transaction and we'll just say confirm here at the bottom. Once you guys confirm it, it will then go over to the same wallet your USDT was sitting in. So you just navigate over to your wallet right up here and then click on overview and you will then see your Dogecoin there. Now, if you guys want more help in terms of transferring Dogecoin out of the marketplace and putting it into a wallet, just let me know. I'll be happy to make more videos showing you guys what to do with your cryptocurrencies, how to keep them safe and things like that. Anyhow, if this video did help you out showing you how to convert into Dogecoin, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.